Hello friends, you are watching Mathematics channel Number Collage. This question is on sequence and series. We have to find the positive integer n for which the solutions of this equation are two consecutive even integers. We are given the nth term here from which we can write the rth term of this series as tr equals x plus 2r minus 2 into x plus 2r, which is given to be a10 by 3. This we write as summation x square plus 2rx minus 2x plus 2rx plus 4r square minus 4r equals 8n by 3, as r runs from 1 to n. Summation x square plus x into 4r minus 2 plus 4r square minus 4r equals 8n by 3 x square summation 1 plus 2x summation 2r minus 1 plus 4 times summation r square minus r equals 18 by 3. This further will be square into summation 1 is n plus 2x summation 2r minus 1 is summation of odd positive integers, which will be n square plus 4 times summation r square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 minus 4 times summation r will be n into n plus 1 by 2 equals 8n by 3. Nx square plus 2n square x plus 4 n into n plus 1 upon 2 2n plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. 2 2s are 4. 2n into n plus 1 into 2n minus 2 upon 3 plus 4n into n plus 1 into n minus 1 n square minus 1 upon 3. Cancelling 1n from each term, this will become x square plus 2nx plus 4n square minus 1 upon 3 minus 8 upon 3 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation in x where coefficient of x square is 1, which is a, coefficient of x is 2n, which is b, and this term in n is c. Now it is given that the solutions of this equation are two consecutive even integers. So if alpha and beta are the two solutions, then their positive difference, that is mod alpha minus beta, should be equal to 2. Mod alpha minus beta is square root of discriminant d upon mod a, which is equal to 2. Now since a here is 1, mod a will be 1, and we will get square root d equals 2, or simply after squaring d equals 4. Now our job is to solve b square minus 4ac equals 4. Picking the values from here, we write b square, which is square of 2n, 4n square minus 4a, a is 1, so 4 into c, which is 4n square minus 4 minus 8 upon 3 minus this 4 equals 0. Now dividing throughout by 4, we will get n square minus 4n square plus 12 minus 3 equals 0. N square equals 9, n equals 3, because we have to take only the positive integer n. So n equals 3 is the required answer. Hence the correct answer option is C, 3 here. Friends, if this video is of any help to you, please like, share and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.